Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Chris drove up to San Diego to pick up an AR spacer from Dennis over here, and he has a sick Jeep, so we're gonna show it off, show you guys all the mods he has. So here is the Jeep. I mean, straight off the bat, you can already see the hidden winch. This is from HK Offroad, correct?
Correct.
Yeah, and you installed it yourself?
Yeah, I did.
How hard was it to install?
Not too bad, just got to cut that center section out of the frame and then line everything up and just drill some holes and bolt it in.
So once you cut that center section, it just pretty much just drops in, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it on the bottom it uses the stock holes that are there. You just have to drill them out, right?
Yeah.
Drill them out and then also add another bolt on the sides, and that holds it in. And what winch do you have in here?
It's the one that Derek from Overlanding Ozarks has.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's a rug cell 13,000.
That guy has a nice Jeep too, man.
I always like that stuff.
Yeah, so you have that winch hidden back there, synthetic line. This thing is nice. I love the HK products, and like they're all nice.
Bash is awesome.
I mean, he has some other parts too. We'll show you right now, but this is just from the front now. And before we continue with the video, I want to let you know we are extending our 4th of July sale. 15% off your order. Use the code USA. And also, if you purchase something off the website, $1 is 1 entry towards the Big Dog recovery rope. So if you want a chance to win that, be sure to buy something off the website. Also, no purchase necessary. Read the rules. And shout out to Jason from Phoenix for winning the last month's giveaway, which is the Iron Rock disconnects. So congrats to you. And also, we are heading to Bend, Oregon for the Overland Expo. So if you're up there, be sure to message me. We can definitely record your Jeep, put it on the channel, show it off, or just hang out. So hit me up if you're going. Now let's get back to showing off Dennis's Jeep. And this is the HO, what year is it?
It's 04.
04 Overland. It has the HO motor, right?
478.
Yeah, and check out this paint, man. Beautiful. This thing is nice. And you got the Jeep Gladiator takeoffs, right?
Yeah.
The Gladiator takeoffs. And what springs are you running on the front?
Front are Clayton 4.5 inch.
Clayton 4.5, and it looks like Bilstein shocks.
Bilstein came with the lift kit from Iron Rock Offroad, long arms.
And I can see you have the JKS disconnects.
Yep.
Yeah. How are those? Do you like them?
Yeah, they work good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're easy to connect and disconnect.
I had purchased the Rusties, and the Rusties, don't get them. Do these instead.
Yeah,
the Rusties suck. And then you also upgraded the steering recently.
Yeah, just this week I got the Trailforged 1-ton heavy duty, the big heavy duty kit for $700 or whatever.
It's worth it though.
Yeah.
Big difference from stock, right?
Yeah, Sean out there at Trailforged, he's real awesome.
Yeah, man. The products he makes are great. It's awesome. Yeah, it makes the steering way better too, right?
Yeah, coming down the freeway now, it's just...
How many miles do you have on the Jeep?
It's got 118.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty low miles.
Oh my. To find a Jeep under 150k miles, that's pretty hard. That's pretty hard. They are 20 years old, so people drive them. That's crazy that you have 118,000.
I put 8,000 since I bought it. It had 110,000 when I bought it 2 years ago.
Jeez, you got lucky with this one.
I drove way up by your area. It's the guy somewhere near Riverside.
Oh, in Riverside? Yeah? No way.
15, yeah.
That's crazy.
Pouring rain. I know you're not supposed to buy a Jeep in the rain because you don't tend to look it over as well, but I did it because my wife.
How has it treated you?
After some initial teething issues with it and transmission, I had to get some new valve body and solenoid pack in it. But now it works good.
It's good.
Front
Solid.
axle housing turned out to be a little bit bent. I had that straightened.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's crazy.
After that, everything's been pretty good.
Yeah. And what sliders are you running? These are nice.
Affordable off-road.
Affordable off-road, and they're affordable. They're like you said, they were like 300 something.
345, 350 delivered.
That's crazy for sliders. That's awesome, man.
Yeah, so they're bolt on, but then I had my welding friend weld them on too, so they're solid.
Oh, they're solid on there. Yeah, they won't come off. And you're running Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain AT3s, right?
That came with these wheels.
Yeah, it came with the wheels. Yeah. These are 285 7017, same wheel size that I'm running, but I have the mud trains, same tire too, but mud trains. And I see a little bit of rubbing back here. A little rubbing, not too bad.
Not enough to go starting to cut yet. I know.
And the rear, you have Iron Rock, right? 4-inch lift?
4-inch long arms.
Okay. Front and rear long arms?
Correct.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it travels a lot for a 4-inch.
Yeah.
The only thing holding it back is the length of the shocks.
True, yeah. With the long arms Iron Rock, it just drops, man.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah, I see you have the stickers here. I still haven't added mine. I still need to add mine on my Jeep. Back here, the HK Offroad tire mount. I like it. What do you think about it?
I love it. It's so rock solid, makes no noise.
Yeah, it does make the hatch a little bit harder to open, but it's not bad.
It's got those super big,
what do you call
it?
The shocks, the struts, the struts. That initial pull is where it's heavy, and then after that it's solid. Yeah, man. Oh, what do you have back here? Air?
Yeah, my power tank and my, what do you call it, traction boards.
Traction boards, nice.
Winch accessories. And
a little bit of
picnic
tools.
Table and my tools. I use the spare tire well for all the...
Oh, you have a light? You had a light up there?
Yeah, they got 2 lights. They're just magnet up there, and when I slam
them, that's awesome. They're magnetic?
Yeah.
Okay.
They fall out.
Yeah.
For whenever I go camping, which I haven't been in this thing yet, but one of these days.
And the struts you have to... You made this piece here, or what? What is
that? That's how they come when you buy the kit from Clayton Offroad. He comes with the heavy-duty struts. You do have to drill some new holes.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, they're
just to make it work.
Yeah, totally solid.
And have you done anything to the axles, or they're just stock?
They're stock. Still got the Vari-Lock in the back. It's got a true track in the front.
Oh, okay.
So
it makes it places then.
Yeah. With all the wheel travel, I still haven't been stopped yet. I haven't done any rock crawling in it yet. I've been in some, undulating stuff.
Yeah, desert stuff, huh?
Yeah.
All the trails over here. But where do you go? What trails are around here?
About a month ago, my wife and I were up in your area, up in San Bernardino Mountain.
Oh, yeah. See, anything else that you have? I see red, what is that red cable back here? Extension for the brake?
Brake lines.
Oh, okay.
Braided brake lines.
Nice.
Oh, so it stops on a dime then.
It's good? Chris doesn't.
And I've got a control pack where I can adjust for the tire size.
Oh, okay. How do you do that?
It's like,
and does that help with the speedometer?
Yeah, well, yeah, exactly.
Yeah? Oh, I need to do that, man. I don't know I didn't even think about that when I was building my Jeep.
Super chips.
Super chips.
Yeah,
oh, okay.
So it adjusts for your tire size. It gets my speedometer right.
That thing's expensive too, right? It's like a couple $100 bucks. Yeah.
It's not. Yeah, they don't make a real fancy one for this old of a vehicle.
Yeah. And I mean, obviously it's in HO, so you got the HO seats with the wood grain steering wheel. This thing is so nice, man. Yeah, I like it.
Looking a little worse for wear on the
yeah. Oh, they always do. They always do.
The rest of the seats are perfect. Just the driver's side.
And I see you have a Boss single din, but it comes out though. That's cool. Yeah. Does that have a
floating panel? I didn't have to do any cutting.
Yeah.
So it works okay.
Yeah.
It's
a lot easier.
CarPlay,
A lot easier. Yeah, CarPlay. Yep.
That was because of you. I even thought about doing that.
It just makes the Jeep nicer having the CarPlay, right?
Modern.
Having Bluetooth or whatever. Anything else that you've done to the Jeep that we don't know about?
Not really. Nothing
no,
under the hood.
That's pretty much it.
Out of the ordinary.
Yeah. Have you seen the Thor intakes? Those are nice. Thor. No? So it takes the intake from here and it pushes it up towards the cavity up here. And it gives you extra room down here so you can add an extra battery if you need to, It's pretty nice.
4.7s too?
For 4.7s and the 4.0s, yeah. It's nice. All right, guys, so that was it for the video. Thank you to Dennis for showing us his Jeep and for hooking us up with the part that we're picking up for Chris's Jeep. So that's gonna help Chris a lot. Stop breaking ball joints.
Hey.
So you need that spacer for the back here?
Yeah, I've gone through the 3 ball joints.
So leave in the comments down below what you think of his build, and maybe we can get your Jeep on the channel. Anyways, we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.